Fansala Shower Hinge Series. OEM ODM service available. Inquiries welcome. Made of high-quality stainless steel for strength and durability. Mirror-polished finish with refined details. Solid structure, smooth opening and closing. Heavy-duty design for various glass doors. Easy installation with precise glass fitting. Ideal for shower enclosures, hotels, and premium residences. Fansala, focused on glass hardware solutions. Direct factory professional manufacturing. Multiple quality inspections to ensure reliability. Fansala Factory Direct Partnership welcome.